Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Waldia, and in today's video I decided to share with you guys a makeup haul. Yes, I went on a shopping spree. I didn't go too crazy, okay, but I don't know if you guys remember, but in a couple of videos ago I did explain how I was going through like a little makeup funk, and I'm not sure if it was because of the heat. I think it did have a lot to do with the heat. It was just way too hot in Jersey this summer. So as opposed to that video, I have been getting back into the swing of things. I did pick up some products that I've been wanting to try, and now I feel like I'm out of my funk. I'm getting out of my funk, okay? So I just want to share with you guys some of the products that I picked up that I've been eyeing for a while, but I'm like, I don't really need any more makeup. But I was feeling inspired, and my birthday just passed, so I said, you know what, let me treat myself. I am an online shopper, even for my foundations. Even when I don't know my shade, I figure it out and I purchase online. I don't really like going to the mall and crowded places, so yeah, this is basically all the makeup that I ordered. One from Sephora, one from Juvia's Place, and one from Beauty Bakery. First, we're gonna start with the Beauty Bakery products that I purchased. Now, if you don't know about Beauty Bakery, Google them. They are a Black-owned company, and I'm loving like the whole theme, and you'll see. You just have to check it out for yourself. I know I'm late to the game. This is my first time purchasing from Beauty Bakery, but I heard so much about this company, so I was like, you know what? What am I waiting for? Let me go support a sister and pick up some of their products. First, I picked up, look at this packaging. It's like a flour bag, like, you know, flour like you would make for like a cake. I think this is so cute, and this is like the theme of their whole cosmetics line. And the packaging says better, not bitter. Ooh, okay, flour, setting powder, Beauty Bakery. I just love this. And on the back, it just gives some instructions on how to apply this powder. I've heard so many great things about this powder, so I cannot wait. Oh my god, guys. And on the side, this is so cute. On the side, it shows the nutrition facts. Wow. Okay, it says vegan 100%. All right. No calories, gluten, parabens. Lightweight, yes. Mattifying, yes. I love it. And then the ingredients are at the bottom. Beauty Bakery is just so creative for this. I think this is super duper cute. Alright, so let me open this. Let's see. Yeah, I've seen this everywhere, and I can't believe I'm so late to the game. I decided to try the yellow setting powder, and this is what this looks like. Very pretty. So I will try this and give you guys my honest opinion in a future video, okay? I'm gonna put this right back in here. I just love this. I don't even need to put this back in here, but because I like the packaging so much, I was just like, oh my god, I didn't even see this. I scream, you scream, we all scream for brownies, gelato, lip whip, ice cream. Okay, now I'm hungry. Yeah, now I'm hungry. All right. And I picked up one more product from their website, and it's the blending eggs, y'all. Come on. Tell me this is not the cutest packaging you've seen ever in life. Like, this is so cute. Like, come on, y'all. In the front, it says Beauty Bakery blending eggs for baked beauties and cute chicks. Like, really? Y'all did that. Y'all did that. I know I'm late to the game, y'all. I know a lot of y'all like, yeah, Waldia, we've been on this, but what took me so long? All right, so like, you know when you have eggs, the egg carton? Okay, so you open this. Oh, and you get the beauty sponges. So cute. So cute. These are soft. This is just too cute. All right, so I'll be using this for my under eye area. So I'm gonna close this back up and put it, you can't go wrong. I love it. So yeah, that was it for Beauty Bakery. I'm pretty sure I'll be going back on the website and picking up some more products. Yeah, I just really like what I see so far. So moving on, I did place an order with Juvia's Place. Now, if you don't know, I do have 2 other palettes with Juvia's Place, and those 2 other palettes are like in my top 10, no, not even my top 5 favorite eyeshadow palettes. So I picked up 2 eyeshadow palettes from them, and also a blush palette, because I feel like their eyeshadows are so pigmented, and I just love the way it shows up on my skin tone. I just think they put out the best palettes, and I like the theme of their palettes. The packaging is always bomb. I picked up this eyeshadow palette. This is their newest palette, a Freak eyeshadow palette. AFRIQE. Look at this packaging. I just think this is just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So let me just open this. Yeah, and this is the palette. Very, very beautiful. The sister on the cover is always like slayed. Yes. All right. I just wish it had a mirror right here. You know how I feel about that, y'all, but no biggie. And these are the colors. I cannot wait to get my hands in these eyeshadows. This yellow, beautiful. I don't even think I have a green. I don't have a green like this. This yellow is just bomb, and this green right here I haven't seen in any other of my palettes. Yes, I cannot wait. Look at this blue, beautiful. I also picked up the Zulu palette. This palette has been out for a while, but I'm just now getting my hands on it. And of course, the sister on the front is just slaying. And I could appreciate the process, like the packaging, how everyone, the art, you know what I mean? It's just amazing. So this is what this looks like. Very nice. I like this. This is, I think, would be travel friendly. Yes. Wow, 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 wow. And here are the colors in the Zulu palette. I'm definitely excited about this color right here, this red. Look at this middle row. And this one. Ooh, and that like burnt orange, yellowish color. Ooh, this purple. This purple though. Yes. Yeah, I'm excited. This is dope. I picked up the Saharan Blush palette volume 1. This is what the packaging looks like. I've never tried their blushes before, so I thought it would be a good time to try them. Sister on the front is slayed. Ooh, and this is the blushes, y'all. This would look really pretty on the lid. I could use this to contour these two up here. I would use to contour. This would be great blushes, and this and these two on the ends here would also be pretty layered on top of like any of these blushes, or even a highlight, or even an eyeshadow. This palette is versatile. You can use these colors as blushes or highlights and eyeshadows. But this orange though, I think that's my favorite color in this palette, yeah. So next up we have Sephora. You know I always have to pick up something from Sephora now. And yes, I'm a little late to the game, but I finally got to pick up the foundation from Too Faced, the Born This Way oil-free foundation that everyone and their mama has been talking about. I wouldn't recommend, you know, just going online and picking up a foundation without knowing your shade, but like I said earlier, I just don't like going to the mall, so I like shopping online, and hopefully this shade will match me. This is in the color Spiced Rum, and I think this is the extended shade line from Jackie Aina. This is medium to full coverage, so I'll be giving you more of a review of this in a later video. And also from Too Faced, I picked up the concealer, the Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. This is what the packaging looks like. And I picked it up in the shade Chestnut. Oh, this might be too dark. I want it to be a little lighter. Well, this is not bad. Okay, this is the concealer. I think I'm going to combine this with the foundation in a later review to also do a review. So in the color Chestnut, it won't give me a super bright highlight. It gives more of a subtle highlight in this color. But I heard this concealer gives like super duper coverage, so that's what I'm looking forward to. This is what the shade looks like. Yeah, so it'll give me a subtle highlight, not a super bright highlight, which is cool. And then also from Too Faced, I picked up their primer, and it's the Hangover X primer. And the reason why I picked this primer up because I heard that it paired well with the foundation. So to give the foundation a fair shot, I wanted to pair it with a primer I know that would work. It was, like I said, it was my birthday last month, so Sephora did send me my birthday gift. And it's a lip set from Bite Beauty. I don't think I've ever tried their products before, so let's see what else I picked up. I had some points, so I got me a Professional primer. I love this primer, and I ran out, so I was like, hey, why not? Let me pick up the sample well, this is not a sample size, the points size, you guys know what I mean. And also picked up some lashes. I got these lashes from the Sephora collection in Foxy number 25. And then I got original hipster number 24, and then I got Crush number 6. So that's it, y'all. These are all the products I picked up in this haul, and I can't wait to, you know, dig in and try new things with these makeup palettes and the eyeshadows and the foundation, concealer, etc. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel, and also leave in my comment section any comments or questions that you may have. Any of these makeup products that you want me to try out in a future video, feel free to let me know and I will get those videos out to you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. As usual, stay fabulous and beautiful and stress-free and stay positive, and yeah, okay, I'm rambling, all right? Until next time, bye.